In this video, we'll show you exactly how to make money with Coursiv, a platform that helps you build a personalized income growth plan using AI. To get started, visit Coursiv.io using your browser. First, select your gender from the available options. Then, choose your age to help personalize your experience. Click Continue to move forward. Now, select your main financial goal. This allows Coursiv to tailor its recommendations to fit your needs. Next, choose your current income source so the platform can better understand your situation. Then select your work schedule. This helps Coursiv design a plan that fits your lifestyle. You'll also be asked to describe the challenges you're facing in your current job. Pick the option that best applies to you, then click Next Step. Now describe your financial situation. This helps Coursiv assess your current financial health. Click Continue once done. Then choose your desired annual income. Continue answering the remaining questions based on your personal preferences and background. When finished, enter your email address to receive your AI-driven income growth challenge. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Finally, review the available plans Coursiv offers, choose the one that suits you best, and begin working toward your financial goals today.